What's up, guys? Today we are gonna do 2v2. You guys are gonna pick my loadout for this. Let's go. We're in a 2v2 now. Let's go. We are finally teleporting to the 2v2, and yeah, I need to lock in, bro. I cannot really aim like that much, bro. But whatever, I don't even care. I cannot aim that much, I don't care. I don't care if I cannot aim that much. But, let's go. Let's just go. Yeah. Cooked. We're cooked. I hate them. I love Arena, but we're cooked. We're cooked. Let's see my knife skills, if I got better at the knife. Bonk, bonk. Nah, I got worse at the knife. Gunblade, gunblade, gunblade. Let's go, gunblade. Habos, habos. Gunblade. He's low. One low, one low, one low, one low, one low. Hello, hello, hello. Bro, I swear if he took a freaking heal. I know that's the guy. He just healed. Bro, he just healed. He just healed. Bro, let's go. Oi, oi. I'm gonna change my, by the way, these are my, He's low. Hello. Like 50. 70. He's 70, bro. He's 70. 70. Hello. Let's go.
Dapat non-transferable ba ang card?
No, gunblade so OP. Gunblade so OP. Nah, spammers. Exo. How do I get an assist, bro? I literally did that. Nah, let me lock in, bro. I'm just spamming.
Pero pag sa graduation, kung dyan po sa palis ba sila?
Nah, buddy! Oh, they're gonna pay for that, bro. I am good with this dude. They're just messed up. What are you gonna do about it, bud? No. Whoa! Now you guys are just being toxic or whatever, bro, but... Okay. I reach my limits. Molotov. Shotgun. One more time. Yes! Let's go! Bro, let's go! Yo! That's it. Bye.